Hi guys! Remember me? I know, it's been like forever. I'm sorry. It's like 8. That's 1 sorry per month that I've been away, which is like, feels like a million. But so much stuff is happening. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm moving from my little whole town. I'm moving downtown Toronto with my boyfriend Alex, who you guys have seen in my other videos, and we are hashtag pumped. And I got a new job, so like fresh start, new job, new home, who dis? I don't know. Everything is just so fresh. So I bought some things, lots of things that I want to show you guys that we're going to put in our new home. So let's do it, let's check it out. Let's start. So I got this, of course, pink fluffy pillow from Home Outfitters. Our house is gonna have a lot of pink in it, and to compensate, Alex really likes green, so it's gonna be a little bit of pink, a little bit of light green, and that is my jam.
It's pink and green, oh so clean.
Oh yeah, my mom got me this one. It's a light pink. On the front it says girl power. Heck yeah, I'm about that. And the last pillow that I have is from my Nana. It's these cute little flamingos who need names. Yay! I'm gonna have so many pillows, I can already feel it. Like I already have 3, I think I'm gonna have 3,000 in like 2 months. I'm the master at buying things I absolutely don't need, so just wait. I got this, this is our shower curtain. It's a DKNY from Winners, which is like, I didn't know you guys didn't have this in the States. Winners is like HomeSense, do you guys have that in the States? It's like Marshalls, yes. And it's really cute, it's white and sheer, so I got like a plastic cover for it, but it has these little pom-poms on them. This is our new nacho plate, essential, yeah. Super cute. Got it from Winners, you got the whole theme going on. You got green, pink. Going with the leafy green beach theme, yes. I have this fake succulent in this pink little vase. She's so cute. I'm happy I got a fake one because one real succulent is enough care for me. I'm gonna be a great mom. Ooh, yeah. Okay, we got a new sheet set. Yay! It's really cute. It's Ralph Lauren. I'm so fancy. Cactus sheets. Okay, so we did a huge IKEA trip and we got, for our coffee table, we got this like surfboard looking one. I think it's called Stockholm. I didn't bring it over to my house because it's really heavy and, you know, not that strong. So I'm gonna put it right here. There's our table, yeah. So our living room is light and pastel. Our carpet is from IKEA, which I'll put right here. It's really affordable actually and really nice. Like it doesn't look like it's gonna get too dirty or you can't notice the dirt on it, so that's awesome. So I got some pink towels, I got some gray towels, and I think it's gonna look good together. So in the bedroom, it's all hardwood flooring, so we got this cute little fluffy white rug to put on the floor. It's really cozy in the winter especially, and it makes me look bougier than I am, so heck yeah. Okay, so this is just an aside because this isn't really for the house, but it's for me. And since I got a new job, I need a new lunchbox because I'm 12 years old. So I got this one. I believe it was from Winners too. My jam, pink and green with little little leaves on it. And it actually came with its own Tupperware, like, hello. I'm actually 5, like I'm so excited about this, what the heck? Yeah, so I definitely have an addiction to mugs. It's just, I can't help it, my mom got me addicted, so thanks Jen, I love you. She bought this one for me actually, my mom got me this one, it says, I believe in unicorns. Come on, that's so cute. With a pink lid. Yeah. Another mug I got, so cute. I got this from someone at work. It was so adorable. Look at her little face. Oh my god. Her name is Chauncey. And I'm obsessed with this mug. I'm seriously obsessed. It's like the littlest things just excite me. Alright, so if we're in the washroom, got face towels, got hand towels. We got these gray ones. They're Kate Spade, but they're from Winners. So they were only like $4. Which is sweet, so we got the full set of those, but I'll just show you this one because the rest are who knows where. I have so much stuff in so many places, but I'm gonna film a video instead of packing, so. My mom bought me this for work. I put it in my little cubicle when I was there. But now I'm gonna take it home because I'm moving on to my new job, and I think this would look cute in our house somewhere. Just says, be happy. Oh! Okay, so, did it just get really dark in here? I think it's gonna freaking pour rain any second. Okay. Anyways, Alex is a true minimalist. Like, he wants nothing in this house. Like, zippity-doo-dah. Not even on our table and stuff. But I have so much stuff. I'm trying my best to be minimalist too, but it's hard. I love things, you know? I've narrowed it down, so I only want like a few coffee table books. This is one of them, Humans of New York, Stories. It's such an awesome book. I'm sure you guys know of Humans of New York and all the photos in this book. I think it's just perfect for a coffee table. Reminds me of Chicken Soup for the Preteen Soul, which was my absolute jam as a kid, as an adult. I got something to put my stuff somewhere. This hangy thing, Neat Freak, with an exclamation mark. Yeah, so it's just like a drop-down bin thing to hold, I don't know, shoes, hats, purses, everything. This is my favorite part, these plates from, yeah, IKEA. So freaking cute. I always say that, but these are so freaking cute. I'm gonna stand up for this. So yeah, whoa, oh my god. I break everything before we move in. Bowls, little plates, big baby plates. Yes, big baby plates, whatever. You know what I mean, really cute set. We also bought basically the same one from IKEA in green. And I think these were $19.99 for the big set, so that is a deal and a half. And they're like the perfect shade of light pink, like honestly, a dream come true. It's just so exciting, guys, oh my god. So yeah, I think that's, that was close, well, hi! So far that is basically everything I got, minus all the boring stuff that I skipped. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to show you guys the moving in video and when everything's put together. I can do like a house tour and I get to shoot in my new place. City vibes, I'm so excited. So like this video if you guys missed me, and please just like this video because right now my legacy is my broken arm video that I filmed like so long ago, and it has the most views on my channel and it's so embarrassing. Like, my legacy is to be the girl with the broken arm on YouTube. Like, we just gotta get past that, so please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to show that you love me for more than just my broken arm that one time. And comment down below any videos you guys wanna see. And I'm sorry once again for being MIA, and I promise not to leave you guys for more than like 6 months this time. I'm just kidding. I'll be back, and thanks for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you really soon. Mwah!